We break up and you slam the door. I messed up on the bedroom floor. What the hell do we do this for? I push you out but you come back. That attraction, we can't fight that. Oh, keep telling myself that I should let go, but I hold on.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, karibu, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always making time to come and be with me. So I'm sad we have a guest. He's my husband.
I'm the hubby.
Welcome. Welcome to the channel.
Oh, thank you. Glad to be here.
You pay for this area.
Yes,
so
I do.
Free, yeah?
Yes.
You have to pay for it.
Like a punch in the face, you know.
So guys, today we are at River Sabaki. So we've come to check out the Sabaki sand dunes, and then from there we're gonna visit River Sabaki just to see flamingos, and finally we're gonna visit where River Sabaki estuary joins the Indian Ocean. Is that right? Or we're gonna show you where River Sabaki, which is Athi River, joins the Indian Ocean. Yeah, so come with us guys. I hope you enjoy this.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want, all of your love. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
Babe, what did you think about this trip? Seeing the river, like the main river. Okay, it's not the main river, but second main river in Kenya, and where it drains its water. Then from there, you saw flamingos, and you also saw. What else did you see?
Hippos.
Hippos.
Fishermen. Lots of crabs.
Lots of crabs.
More crabs.
Yeah. What did you think?
Let's see. I thought the river was pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And then the part where the two bodies of water meet, but they don't actually mix. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's pretty intense.
I think we need, I don't know, because we don't know why. Probably it's just nature, but we are wondering why those two bodies never mix. Like they meet, but they are not mixing. That's
So if you have the answer to that question, please let us know. I like to learn new things.
in the comment section. Please comment down below and let us know what you think. Scientists in the house, magicians in the house, what?
Water experts.
Water experts.
If you were a water boy in high school,
yeah,
and you know all about H2O, let us know.
Exactly. Yeah, so I guess this was a good trip for me. I think I would say this was amazing. This was good. It's not new to me. I've been here before, like 3-4 years back. So, but it was new for him. So, him telling you the experience is way better than if I tell you the experience.
Yeah.
Though you've watched the video, so
Definitely bring some hiking shoes.
exactly.
Can't stress that one enough.
Yeah, the sand is too much. Yeah, so allow me guys to end this video right here, and if you like this one, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, I don't know why I shouted at you, I'm sorry, but if you have not subscribed, kindly do consider subscribing. Just hit that red button right there. Just hit it. It's absolutely free, so that you get to enjoy all these adventures. And next to that subscribe button, there is a bell. Just hit it so that you get notified every time we post a new adventure. And as always, remember to be kind to one another, love one another, and treasure every minute you spend with one another, because tomorrow is never promised. I'll see you guys in my next one. Ciao.
Adios.